Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing here in Minnesota. Today we are going to talk about the D word, decluttering. So just wanted to give you kind of a brief overview of different ways that you could do this. So a lot of times we can simply pull everything out, look at everything and decide from there, hey, I need to keep this or I need to get rid of that. That truly is a declutter. Making those decisions. Now, once you've kind of made those decisions, I want to talk about decluttering things that actually come into your house. So sometimes we can have a rule about things like, a one in or a one out rule. So if I'm going to get new clothes, maybe I'm going to donate some. Or if I'm getting new art supplies, I'm going to donate the ones that I no longer use. So thinking about decluttering in things that just come in to kind of keep pace with life and kids and all of those things that happen. The other thing you can think about doing is I like to use the 20/20 rule. If I can purchase this item within 20 minutes for less than $20, sometimes it's time to let it go. That can really help as well. And then just the third thing to keep in mind when you are decluttering, I would highly recommend choosing a charity that you believe in and that you love. It's so much easier to donate your things that no longer serve you if you know it's going to help somebody else. It's going to be good for the planet. It's going to find another life, and it's going to get that use that item needs or wants to. So really think about that when you're decluttering. I hope that these tips help this week. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I will see you back here for next week's Just the Tip.